Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to computer class. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home and gathering blessings of Ramadan Kareem. So let's move to our work. Today's work will be short question answers and it will be a written work. You have to write the given short question answers in your notebook, and before writing the question answers, for the understanding of the questions you can check the videos given below.
That lets them run billions of devices worldwide. Now let's find out. So let's dig right in. An operating system is a computer program that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware. So what is this computer program? A computer program is nothing but a bunch of lines of code. This code helps us make use of the hardware. Okay, so with the definition nailed down, let's look at the computer system structure. So the computer structure basically consists of 4 components. The first component we have is hardware. That is nothing but the physical parts of a computer comprises the hardware. They provide the basic computing resources such as the CPU, the memory, and the input-output devices. So the next thing that comes on top of the hardware is the operating system. Imagine operating system as a person that acts as a translator between the hardware and the user. The user's requests are realized by the operating system by making use of the hardware and respond back with the required results. It is a virtual entity which cannot be felt. Next thing that comes on top of the operating system is the application program. What are application programs? These are nothing but the programs that provide services to the users. Some of the application programs that we use in our daily lives include the word processors, the compilers, the web browsers, the video games, and the database systems. These programs help us concentrate on the bigger picture, that is our problem in hand, rather than on the intricate details of the computer.
So the fourth component of our computer system are the users. Users are the people, machine, and other computers that interact with the computer systems. So with this done, let's have a quick recap. The components of our computer system are computer hardware at the base level, then the operating system that sits on top of it, then the system and application programs that run on the operating system, and finally the end users that make use of these application programs. Well, that was a lot of information and we need to process it, just like the processors in our computer. So, to continue the journey, click on the next video. Thank you. We hope you.
So the first part, A part question is, what is an operating system? As we have seen in the video above, that an operating system is a software that enables the user to interact with the computer. If we say that it's like a translator for us, it used to translate our instructions into computer language and gives them to the computer to understand what we are saying. So the answer what we will write will be, an operating system is a software that enables the user to interact with the computer. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about single user operating system. If we discuss about it with its name, it is clear that at a time a system, operating system, one person can use a system at a time. Single user itself is self-explanatory. It tells us that for one time, one person can use that system. So if we say that Windows and Windows Explorers, they are the examples, so it will not be wrong. And in the same way, mobiles and laptops, they are the examples of single user operating system on which one person can work at a time. So if we say that it is single user per computer at a time, that will not be wrong. So now we understood about single user operating system. Now we will move towards the next question, the part B. The question is, what is a single user operating system? As we have seen in the video, that any system on which one person can work at a time, that is a single user system. And in the same way, operating system is that one on which a single user, one user can work at a time. So the answer will be, a single user operating system is a system that allows only one user to work on it at a time. Yes, students, now hope you have understood the above questions and you will write them down in your notebooks, and also don't forget to learn them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.